Hey everybody, it's Jeff G. Holt of V-twin Visionary, and I have a set of FXR division bars. These guys have been making some bars for quite some time in Phoenix, Arizona in the USA. These are the 14-inch split T-bars. I actually put these on a bike that we rode across country during the COVID crossing and really liked it because we put them on a batwing fairing bike, and these are 14s, like I said. So with it being back on a pullback plate, you can actually still look between this and see the gauges. As you can see, it's got a really great profile. They don't look like anybody else's bars. They're definitely the originators of this look. The bend is unbelievable. If you guys ever rode BMX or dirt bikes, it has a super good bend. It's not all janky and weird and cocks your wrist all funky. I can't say enough about these bars. They have big ports, so you can run all your cables and controls, even all your bagger stuff and your throttle-by-wire stuff. Really good stuff from the guys over there at FXR Division.